Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to enable chats heads on Facebook Messenger in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Messenger app. Okay, then back on settings, scroll down, click on notifications. Okay, scroll down, click on messenger, then lock screen, notification center and banner, then all show, then banner style, then second option click, then back. That's all. Then check your messenger message. Okay, just wait. Then add message. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.